Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here in the garden, which is looking mighty like a jungle at the moment, but there are lots of little tomatoes in here ripening, and I'm going to be picking a few again here. Some nice yellow ones in there. I'll have to go around to get those. Nice marigolds everywhere, lots of tomatoes everywhere. It's a bit of a mess, but it smells so nice here with the sage and the tomatoes. It's pretty ridiculous. There's a bunch in here. I have to pick these. And we'll probably get a few more zucchinis, I imagine, but we'll take a look. Got some nice little squash growing as well. Hopefully there will be more where that came from. It's hard to see in the big jumble mess that this is, but everything looks to be doing great. We did get a lot of rain in the last few days, which was kind of much needed. Although the mulch, holds up so well that the plants in here were doing fine, but just elsewhere in the property where things aren't mulched as heavily, it was really nice to get a little bit more rain. So that's pretty good. So anyway, here's the harvest for today. Not as much in the way of tomatoes as last time, but did manage to get another zucchini and a couple of the bigger tomatoes. I think they cracked from the rain, honestly, so they weren't even fully ripe yet, but they should still hopefully be tasty. I'm sure they will be. And we got a bunch more apples and pears from the back. So yeah, that's it for today. The garden keeps giving, and it's just so much fun seeing it grow. Although obviously it is kind of a bit of a mess at this point, but I don't care. It's still really fun to come in here and pick food up and just see how it's doing. And the smells are great too. I just love the smell of the sage and the tomatoes together. It's so nice. We have sorrel growing all over the place throughout the property. There's a bunch kind of on the edges as we go here all around. It's really cool. So I'll probably do a separate video at some point for you guys about the various free plants growing all over the property. That's kind of a fun thing to do. I did a video a long time ago about some edible weeds and stuff, and I don't know, I really need to get back into that kind of mindset and learn more about foraging and things like that. I think that's something that could be very relevant in the future, depending on how crazy things get. But anyway, so hope that's it. I hope you guys had a good time watching, and see another video soon. Thanks everybody for your support.